In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor Shortcode. Whether you're enhancing your existing WordPress website or starting fresh, Elementor provides a powerful, user-friendly way to bring your web design visions to life. For those unfamiliar with shortcodes, they are essentially small snippets of code that allow you to embed dynamic content to your pages without much hassle. They can be a lifesaver, especially when you want to perform complex functions with minimal effort. Now, let's dive right into it. First up, you'll want to open up the page or template in Elementor that you wish to work with. If you're new to Elementor, you can do this by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. From there, hover over Pages or Templates in the menu, depending on where you're intending to add the shortcode. Click on All Pages or Saved Templates, respectively, and find the one you're going to edit. Once you locate it, simply click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will bring you into the Elementor Editor interface, which is intuitive and allows you to visually design your web page. Once you're inside the editor, you'll be greeted with a panel on the left that contains various widgets and tools you can use to build your page. From this widget panel, you need to find the shortcode widget. You can do this by scrolling through the panel, or simply type shortcode into the search bar at the top of the panel for quicker access. Once you find the shortcode widget, click and drag it onto your desired section on the page layout. Positioning is entirely up to you, wherever it fits best with your design. With the shortcode widget now placed into your layout, direct your attention to the panel on the left, which should now display the shortcode widget's settings. Here, under the Content tab, you'll find a field where you can paste your shortcode. This is the key part of using shortcodes in Elementor. You simply paste the shortcode you want to use into this field. Make sure you're pasting the shortcode correctly to avoid any unintended results. If you're copying the shortcode from a plugin or theme documentation, ensure that it's complete and there are no characters missing. After you've pasted your shortcode, Elementor does something incredibly handy. It renders the output directly in the editor. This means you can see what the shortcode is doing in real time, right there in the Elementor interface. No need to constantly preview changes on the front end, which is a significant time saver. It's a good idea at this stage to review how the shortcode content looks within your page design and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. Using a shortcode in Elementor is straightforward and can greatly enhance the functionality of your site. So, get creative and experiment with different shortcodes to see how they can work for you.